Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to remove all the parts of the sheet's contours, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back into the program here. Now in today's feature we're going to be looking at, it should be relatively quick. We're just going to be looking at removing all the contours for the shapes, the easiest way to go about it. Now this is our previous section we had selected. I'm sure you guys can remember we deleted all parts of the same shape and it removed just these top ones. Now we're going to look at removing all parts of, or should I say, how to remove everything from the sheet. So now once again I'm going to head into CAM, and then I'm going to select any shape. Doesn't matter which one you select. Then I'm going to go to our delete contour little button again, and then once we've selected this, as you can see I've already have it selected on. So we've got here apply for all parts of the sheet. Now keep in mind that you need to still select delete contour, otherwise nothing will happen. And now if I say OK, you can see it has removed everything from our cutting. If I had to undo this, go back to CAM, go to NC, you can see here we've got all our shapes has been cut out. Then let's go just again. So recap, we want to go into CAM, select our shape, go to delete contours and say apply for all parts of the sheet. Click delete external contour and say OK. And there you go, now we've deleted all the contours. So if you need to do that, you are capable of using that method. But yeah, otherwise that is it on deleting all contours for the sheet. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.